What's the best way to make Alfredo pasta or cream pasta? Fill a pot with 2 liters of water, 2 tablespoons of salt. For the pasta, I chose linguine, which is slightly thinner than fettuccine. Add the butter. Put 2 cloves of garlic. You can add more or less or not at all. It's up to you. Basil is the most important ingredient. It's very important in my opinion. Then I added the cooking cream. I had both cooking and dessert cream. I combined them. If you know the difference between them, let me know. When the cream heats up, add a pinch of salt and black pepper. These are the only 2 spices. Parmesan is the secret word in Italy. It's Parmesan cheese. Add about a cup and stir the cream until the Parmesan melts. About 10 minutes later, the macaroni was done. I'll add the macaroni to the cream. And of course, we stir over low heat without increasing the flame. And if the cream or pasta thickens, add a bit of pasta water. The smell is so amazing. And it's one of my favorite recipes. And by the way, in Italy to this day, they make fettuccine Alfredo differently. Or the original method is just butter. And a lot of Parmesan can be added, a cup, 2, and 3 cups for the quantity I made. I hope you check the ingredients below the recipe and share this recipe with friends and loved ones. And most importantly, if you like the content, give us a follow. Finally, don't forget to save the recipe using the save button. And wishing you health and wellness. Enjoy.